Kailan dapat magpalit ng car filters? Manufacturer's recommendation by Toyota. Number 1, engine oil filter. Every 10,000 km or 12 months. Pero kung madalas ka dumadaan sa mga maalikabok at hindi sementadong daan, pumabiyahe ka ng malalayong lugar or heavy loaded ang iyong sasakyan, mas magandang palitan ng ating engine oil filter every 5,000 km or 6 months. Number 2, engine air cleaner filter. For gasoline engine, every 40,000 km or 4 years. Para naman sa diesel engine, every 30,000 km or 3 years. Number 3, fuel filter. For gasoline engine, every 80,000 km or 8 years. Para naman sa diesel engine, as per manual, no periodic replacement is scheduled. Number 4, cabin aircon filter. Every 30,000 km. For more informational video gaya nito, follow for more.